Good morning, everybody. Today in our class, we will discuss about types of volcano, which is already we'll discuss in our previous class. For revisions, I am discussing again this topic. So, on the basis of mode of frequency of eruptions, volcanoes are classified into three types: active volcano, dormant volcanoes, and extinct volcanoes. What is active volcanoes? The volcanoes that erupt frequently or are always emitting lava are called active volcanoes. As example, Mauna Loa in Hawaii Island is the largest active volcanoes in the world. Vesuvius of Italy, Mount Erebus of Antarctica, Etna of Sicily are the examples of active volcano. Dormant volcanoes, they are also called the sleeping volcanoes. These volcanoes used to erupt in the past but have stopped ejecting lava for a long period of time. They can, however, be active again anytime in future. As example, I can say the Fujiyama of Japan and Krakatoa of Indonesia are the examples of dormant volcanoes. Okay. Extinct volcano, these volcanoes which had the erupt long ago but are not likely to erupt again are called extinct or the dead volcanoes. Mount Kilimanjaro of Africa, Mount Popo in Myanmar are the examples, or also the Mount Cotopaxi in Ecuador are the examples of extinct volcanoes. Okay. So now we will discuss about the types of volcanicity. Okay. There are the two types of main volcanicities there. One is the central eruptions, other one is the fissures eruptions. What is central eruption? Central eruptions occur through the scatter or the vent, forming the volcanic mounds or the different shape and size. Some of these volcanoes erupt liquid lava and some erupt viscous lava, gases, water vapor with the great explosions. And they are the several types. Like Hawaiian type of with the slow eruptions of liquid, extremely hot lava without explosions. They are found, as example I can say Hawaii, Iceland and Samoa Island. Next one is Strombolian type of volcanicity. It erupts intermittently liquid basaltic lava, gas, ashes and the vapor with the exploded with a great sound. The Strombolian of Lipari Island of Italy is the examples of Strombolian type of volcanicity. It is also called the lighthouse of the Mediterranean. Okay. The next one is the Vulcanian type of volcanicity. It erupts viscous type of lava with the great explosions. Lava which is accumulated near the vent or the crater, and it is found in the Lipari Island of the Mediterranean. Okay. Next one is Vesuvius Etna type volcanicity. It emits highly viscous lava with the terrific explosions, and this example is Vesuvius and Etna in Italy. Next one is Pillinian type volcanicity. It erupts high amount of gas and other volcanic material with tremendous explosions, and it ejected material spread out all over the area, and it is named after the historian Pliny, who first observed the eruptions in 79 AD. Next one is Pelian type of volcanicity. It erupts very viscous type of lava with the tremendous explosions, and the ejected materials like gas, pyroclast, igneous lava, etc. spread over a large area with the destroyed everything in nearby areas, and it is found in Mauritius Island of the West Indies. Okay. Next one is Krakatoa type of volcanicity. It erupts huge amount of gas, volcanic materials and making the red color in the sky. And it is tremendously explosive and destroy the previous crater and producing caldera. Caldera means the larger crater. It is found in Krakatoa Island, located in between the Java and Sumatra at the Sunda Strait in Indonesia. Okay. Next type is tertiary eruptions, which is occurred through the fissures, craters and joint. Fluid and basic lava comes out silently through the fissures and spread on the ground. They do not have craters or vent. It is found in the volcanoes of the Iceland, Deccan Plateau, India, Somalia and Ethiopian Plateau of Africa. Okay, so this is all about the types of volcanicity. Okay.